Welcome to the future of Automobili Pininfarina design. Ciao, I'm Dave Amantea and I'm here today to share with you my favorite details of PURA Vision. PURA Vision has a distinctive face, defined by hidden headlamps and a new lighting technology by LES. Our beautiful concept is painted with Bianco Sestriere over exposed carbon fiber. Cab rear unbalanced proportion conveys the dramatic stance of PURA Vision. One thing that you will love is the glass roof. It's what we name a windows to the world. It's what connects the occupants with the environment. PURA Vision has 23-inch wheels painted in gloss and matte black. The gravel effect tire convey a distinctive character to our PURA Vision. These tires enable luxury to be enjoyed over any terrain. The panoramic roof adds to a sense of sophisticated luxury. The Biscotto roof signature is one of my favorite elements in PURA Vision. This is nothing like any other design in the world. This roof and the Stargate Doors make PURA Vision unique from above. These doors also give easy access to the spacious rear seat area. Fun fact, for this door opening, we took inspiration from Lancia Florida. The proportion of the rear is really special. The presence of this car is enhanced by the vertical muscle construction. The vertical muscle ensures a fantastic proportion on the rear. PURA Vision is like nothing you've seen before. Welcome to the future of Automobili Pininfarina design.